Here's how to delete Meta AI on WhatsApp permanently. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can delete Meta AI on WhatsApp. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, I'm just going to press on WhatsApp. So once I'm here on WhatsApp, here you can see I have the Meta AI option right over here. And I have it. Don't know why people want to remove it, but removing it is very simple. What you have to do is just, if you're on iPhone, just go to your iPhone settings. Once you go to iPhone settings, just go down and go to general. Once you go to general, scroll down a bit and you'll see the option of iPhone storage. Just press on it. And here it will bring you to all the apps that you have downloaded. Just go to WhatsApp and press offload app. What this offload app will do, it will remove all the WhatsApp data and documents. So I believe it will remove the Meta AI too. But of course, I don't want to remove Meta AI from my WhatsApp, so I'm not going to offload it. It might remove permanently, so I'm going to need Meta AI for more. But yeah, if you really want to remove it, just press on offload app and it will remove it. And yeah, that's basically it on how you can permanently delete Meta AI on WhatsApp. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out, and peace until then. Goodbye.